Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. On the Chainlink chart, we are currently tracking an uptrend. We take a look at the chart from an Elliott wave perspective point of view, and the current scenario suggests rising prices. The white colored scenario here is the preferred scenario. Elliott wave is a sentiment-based analysis method, and it gives us a really good idea of where price should go to, what the targets are, resistances, support levels. They are not a crystal ball, okay? It's not like a magical tool that will tell us what will definitely happen, but it's all about probabilities. It is about understanding, where should the price go to if certain conditions are fulfilled. So it's always about an if-then condition, because if certain support levels break, then we have to consider alternative scenarios. So in this knowledge is really, really important for traders and investors, because from these levels, traders and investors can measure their risk. They can understand where key turning points are, where the price might turn around. Now, on this chart here, on the link chart, we're tracking the white colored scenario as primary count, as primary scenario. You see certain numbers here on the chart. So for example, the idea is that a larger degree wave 2 bottomed in August last year in one of these support areas. The price found support, started to rally, and based on the rules and guidelines, we are watching for a 5-wave move up in this third wave. Yeah, and this third wave should take us to $69. Now again, the condition is that the market does hold above that $16.55 level here. So for now, the price has reacted. Again, we have another support area here. The price has reacted to this support area in January and broke out of this pattern to the upside and could now be on its way to some of these next upside levels, $38, $55, and a very important one, $69. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame chart where we can see everything in a little bit more detail. This is what I just showed you, just zoomed in. You can see the reaction that the price produced here in January. You see the larger degree third wave here on the chart, but this third wave itself is a 5-wave pattern. From an Elliott wave point of view, the trend direction always moves in 5 waves. So what we are tracking now is wave 5, labeled circle 5. That could be unfolding right now. And let me shift this to the right. This 5th wave is a 5-wave pattern itself. And we already saw the completion of waves 1 and 2 in this wave 5 of wave 3. So it's all about the concept of waves within waves. Also, for example, this smaller time frame wave 1 here, which topped on Friday, is a 5-wave move. So it's quite complex, but what really matters, and you don't need to worry about that, what really matters is that the price does hold above support. And the support area that's relevant now, so the main one is around $16.50 here. I showed you that on the larger time frame already. That really needs to hold, or the larger time frame scenario will be invalidated. But here on the smaller time frame, there is another support area. There is an additional support area between $19.24 and $22.32. And we have a rally and a correction. The correction, labeled wave 2, is the counter trend move. It is basically just the breathing in, breathing out of the market. Nothing can go up all the time. Cryptocurrency rallies are typically very aggressive, so the corrections, they are typically slow, and it's all about that breathing in, breathing out. No growth without correction. So important is now that we're watching for higher prices, and the price could get to $38 next, as long as the price doesn't break below the $19.24 level, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level here. Could the price have bottomed already? You know, has the low already formed in wave 2? We can really only say when the price breaks above the green line, which is located here at around $26.37. So this is now confirmation that's outstanding. Until that happens, caution is warranted and the risk for one more low remains. Then support at maybe could find support then at $21.37 or $20.47. That's the update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.